How to install SPSS. SPSS has become an undisputed champion when it comes to statistical analysis in behavioral sciences such as psychology, sociology, health science, and other fields of study. It is mostly used to enter data, variables, and run statistical analysis. That is why it has become imperative for people to learn how to install it. Don't forget to subscribe to TechTricksGh channel. Just click on subscribe button and the bell notification icon. From the list, select all. To enable you receive a link to any video TechTricksGh uploads. There are a chunk of tutorials you can leverage to enable you execute your projects to the full. You can find the link in the description box. Download it and follow suit. Right click on the file and open it with WinRAR. When the WinRAR window opens, double-click the folder and ISO file to open it. You then right-click on the SPSS setup and select Run as administrator. Follow the prompts until installation completes. When installation completes, don't open the SPSS immediately. Deselect Start SPSS. Click the Finish button and exit. Open the crack folder and copy the crack file to the clipboard. Navigate to the Start button and click on it. From the list, select File Explorer. When it opens, eject the file that has been mounted. Proceed to the installation folder and paste the crack file into the installation folder. It will prompt you to replace the file. Just replace it and you are good to go. You can now exit the setup file. Now click on the Start button and from the list select SPSS. The statistical software launches immediately. IBM SPSS statistics window finally opens. it can create a new data set or new data query. In our next SPSS tutorial, it will be a brief introduction to SPSS. This may be good for beginners who want to acquaint themselves with the workflow of SPSS. TechTricksGh will always be at your beck and call. All you need to do is to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our videos.